హాయ్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. కరెక్ట్ మీ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ రాంగ్. ఇవాళ మీ అందరి కలవడం చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. ఐ హోప్ ఇట్స్ రైట్. సో ఫస్ట్లీ I want to thank Sithara Entertainments, Naga Vamsi sir, and Venky sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Sir, Venky sir, you supported and guided me throughout the film. Thank you so much, sir. I hope I have done good. And Suriya sir, I don't think I can express my gratitude, my love, my admiration for you in such a short period of time now. But working with you was truly, truly, truly special for me, sir. And I feel blessed and I'm so grateful to work with you. I feel like, it will be konjam selfish of me, but I want to work more with you, sir, hopefully. And Radhika ma'am, you sweetest, you are my Mrs. Nirmala, and I love you so much, ma'am. Thank you for being such a beautiful mentor, a guide. How can I say? In the like when we were shooting, whenever I came to you for with my vulnerabilities and insecurities, you corrected me. You were there for me, and thank you so much. I can never forget that, and I love you so much, ma'am. Sunil garu, Harika ma'am, you guys are so amazing, and you were in the set. It was more like a family with you guys. Dheera and our little Sharvik, our baby Abhay. He is the soul of our film. He's sleeping now, but I must say he's the soul of our film. He's the cutest. And we are missing some of our wonderful technicians here. Our wonderful DOP, Nimish Garu, Nimisheta, Banglan Jetan, our editor, Navin Nooli, and GV sir, our genius, as you mentioned, genius GV sir, we are missing here today. And Vijay Benny sir, our choreographer, Shekhar master. Thank you for giving me such a beautiful choreography, and I hope it was good. Yeah. And hi Paradi. I had so much fun shooting with you. And thank you everyone for coming here and making this evening even more special, and with your presence, with your energy. And Suma Garu, you are such a wonderful host, I must say. Yeah. Whenever, so I have this stage fear and a little bit of anxiety. She always is the one who notices that first, and she'll always come to me saying, "Are you okay? You good?" Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being so sweet. And yeah, so I'm gonna say one more line in Telugu. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah. Meeru andaru మీ ఫ్యామిలీతో కలిసి August 14 థియేటర్కి వెళ్ళి చూడండి. యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ గైస్.
అయిపోయింది. అయిపోతున్నావు, తెలుగు అమ్మాయి అయిపోతున్నావు, నువ్వు సెటిల్ అయిపోతావు ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మమిత. అండ్